Tesla vehicles, especially those with updated software such as V12, offer a robust navigation system that allows you to plan trips with multiple destinations efficiently. As of December 2024, Tesla's navigation system supports setting up to 20 stops per trip. This is integrated directly into Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving FSD systems, allowing for dynamic rerouting based on real-time data. We'll show you how to use this feature. The multi-stop navigation feature is available on all Tesla models, including Model S, 3, X, Y, and Cybertruck, running software version 2024.44 or later. You can access this feature either through the central touchscreen in your car or remotely via the Tesla mobile app. Let's start by demonstrating how to use it within the vehicle. First, open the navigation app on your Tesla's touchscreen. Then, search for and select your primary destination, the first place you want to go on your trip. Once selected, tap on the route preview to proceed to the next step of adding multiple stops. After selecting your primary destination, you'll find an Add Stop button, usually represented by a plus icon. Tap this button to add additional destinations to your route. Repeat this process to add up to 20 stops, and the system will display all stops in a list. The system automatically calculates total trip time, energy use, and charging needs. Here's an example of a multi-stop route with optimization options. Another example shows a UK route with numbered stops and the Add Stop button visible. This route shows 5 stops with distance tracking and next stop indication. To edit a stop in your Tesla's multi-stop route, start by viewing your list of planned destinations on the navigation screen. Simply tap on the stop you want to modify. For example, tapping on the gas station stop will open the Edit menu. This brings up options to modify the stop's details, such as changing the address, adding custom notes, or removing it from your route entirely. The Tesla system dynamically adjusts your entire route based on these changes, recalculating the path to account for the modifications. This feature is especially useful if you need to remove a location or update details during your trip, ensuring your navigation stays current and efficient. Rearranging the order of your stops is simple. Long press on a stop in the list and drag it to its new position. The route recalculates instantly, optimizing the directions based on the new order. This flexibility is crucial for adapting to changing circumstances or priorities during your journey. You can also plan your multi-stop trips remotely using the Tesla app. This convenient feature allows you to create detailed routes from anywhere, whether you're at home or on the go. Start by logging into the Tesla app on your smartphone. The app provides a secure connection to your vehicle. Once logged in, select your vehicle from the main dashboard. This connects you to the specific Tesla you want to plan for. Navigate to the Controls section and access the Navigate feature. This is where you'll build your trip. Use the Trip Planner to add multiple destinations, just like in the car. You can set up to 20 stops, including supercharger locations, for efficient charging. When your route is complete, simply tap Send to Car to transfer the entire multi-stop plan directly to your vehicle. The route will be ready when you start driving. Tesla's multi-stop navigation optimizes energy use by considering regenerative braking and terrain changes, potentially saving 10 to 15% of battery life on extended trips. This makes long journeys more efficient and reduces range anxiety. The navigation system integrates seamlessly with autopilot and full self-driving capabilities, enabling hands-free operation during multi-stop routes. The vehicle can autonomously handle adjustments for traffic or route changes. For best results, always verify your routes manually before starting, particularly in locations with weak GPS signals such as tunnels, urban canyons, or mountainous areas. This ensures accurate navigation. Overall, Tesla's multi-stop navigation provides exceptional convenience. According to a 2024 Consumer Reports survey, 82% of Tesla drivers report being very satisfied with the system's performance and reliability.